Alright, ladies and gents, good morning. This morning I spent a little bit of time on the hot tub. I got it running. And if we look, we can see it's at 94 degrees. Hell yeah. It should go to 100 and then it should shut off. But we won't know that until it gets to 100. I'm surprised it got to 100 so quick. Less than one day. That 240 is so much better than the 110. Brr. I am back in the shed tonight temporarily because I have to go to work at 11 o'clock. That's why yesterday's video was so late. It's because I didn't have time today to edit and put that video up before like 11 o'clock. Anyway, I'm working on vending machines tonight. I just got these. I wasn't even expecting these today. I got more LED strips. I got 3 more boxes, one for each of these machines, and I think I figured out how to wire them up. I'll show you guys how to do that. Hopefully it works. But first, it's got to warm up in here because it is cold. I'm going to put on some gloves and I'm going to pick up some of this stuff. This was already in the vending machine, in the vending machines when I got them. It's all expired soda. I can't do anything with it, so I got to pour it out and make sure it's just poured out and thrown away. I'm going to do that and then get to working on the LEDs. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I got this machine done. I think gonna order some locks, and it still needs to be cleaned, but this is the LED setup. Looks pretty nice. And then I will get to these two at a later date. So this is this one right now. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thank you for subscribing and clicking that bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.